Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am reviewing one brand only, and I don't have many products of this brand, but I still do have some products for this brand. So I have two types of lipsticks of this brand. I'm talking about Renee, and one eyeliner and highlighter and blush. So I am going to tell you my thoughts on this brand and how I have been liking it or no. So let's begin with this lipstick. This is Renee Stay With Me. This apparently is transfer proof. This is the Stay With Me collection. It is Loco Poco is the name of the shade. Let me show you how the applicator is. This is how it looks. And this is how the shade is. The shade is amazing, right? The shade is amazing. Then, so I have used this one. It is nice. It remains on your skin. It is light, doesn't make your lips feel dry. So I'll give it let's say 7 on 10. The next shade is this, the bullet style. So this one's called the Talkmate Crayon. Yes, and this is the shade. It's purple, it's pinkish purple. It's really a cute color. I like the shade. And then this one will not bleed or anything, but of course this is going to move. This shade is nice, very comfortable, very it's none of both the shades actually. They are very you can use it with anything, and it's very light on the lips. You don't feel heavy, and it's soft. The second shade especially, it has that soft buttery effect to it, so that's really good. Then I have the eyeliner. This one does not budge. So this is how it looks, and it is black. If you're into really deep black, that this one's a good one. If you have your special black eyeliner, this pen type, please put them in the comments below. Let me know which ones are those, because I want good pen types as well. And then I have this one. This one's exciting. This one reminds me of when we were in school. We had this thing called as pen pencil, so you could do that. I don't know what that is called as, so let me just show you. So the first shade is golden here. So this is how the highlighter looks. This is the golden highlighter. Let's put it to test. This is shiny, glittery, really nice. Then the next one. This is where I'm a little worried about. What if I lose this and it comes off and falls off, and then how do I use the other ones? So I've taken this off and I'm gonna put it over here, and now it's the pinkish shade. So it is in this shade. I'm gonna put this on top here. So this shade, you can use it as a highlighter and as blush as well. So I have been mixing this a little bit on my blush. Not today, I haven't put anything, but I usually mix this a little bit so that it sticks to your skin and stuff. But on the whole, I like this shade. It is nice. This one's nice too, but yes, I would use this only as a highlighter and not anywhere else on my face. Maybe for the body, but for that you'll need a lot more. You can use that for your décolletage area. That'll look good. So let me take this off. Taking this off is a little scary. What if it gets spoiled? And now this is a chalk shade. Let's try this on. Let me see how this looks. Okay. So the top chalk shade is more like golden. This is more like deeper golden, the first shade. The chalk shade is like shiny, lighter golden. Let's blend it. God, yeah, it's a little too delicate. but I can still use it. So let's do some blending and seeing. Okay, the blending is good. I'm still waiting for the shade to dry. It takes a little time, but it'll dry off. So the blending is good. It is comfortable blending. I've already used it, I've told you, but I want to blend and show. There's a nice glitter. You see that? So on the whole, I like this brand. It feels good. Yeah, I see. I told you this is going to bleed off. I mean, it's just going to move, but this one did not move. This one's still drying. It takes some time, but on the whole, it's good. It's a budget-friendly brand. So I hope you guys like my video. Do share, comment, subscribe, and show me some love.